Good morning to all, dear viewers. In the sixth exercise, we are going to complete this particular sketch exercise. Before going into it, I would like to explain another important step to set a directory for opening. During the opening of the software, you can directly set a directory. Say, for example, you are going to use the particular folder for say one complete project. So what you can do is you can right click here, then properties, you can go to the properties, and here target, start in. Okay, start in. Here you can select a particular location. Let us say you want to go here, my computer, say D, and let us say you want to set the directory, this particular directory. Let us say this directory. Okay, so what you can do, you can go here, this you can copy here, then close it, then you can paste here, then apply. You can give apply. Then it will ask, you will need to provide administrator permission to change these settings. You can give continue, then OK. So automatically the software will open in that particular folder, so that whatever the work you are going to create, it will be automatically saved in that particular directory. Now you can open it. So open. So automatically it will come with that directory is active. Okay, so in this particular exercise, we are going to create this example. So in this, here you can, as you can see here, there is a dia 36, dia 60, and R54. This is symmetrical about the center axis. So this is not very difficult task. Only thing is that this particular curve. Okay, as for I know about this particular drawing, if you make any simple mistake, this R12 will not match with this curve. That is the important thing to note. Okay, so it's opening. So how to start this particular exercise, that we will see. So you can locate this as the origin point, and you can draw this circle and this circle. Then you can draw an arc of R64. Then you can make it to construction line. Then you can draw a circle here, another circle here, 30 degree apart. Then maybe you can draw this curve, concentric arc curve you can draw. Then you can locate this point 125 away, then R12, and here dia 12, and here you can make R12. Then you can make a 3-point arc, then make it tangent. So that is the procedure we will be using. So let us start. So new. So we will go to sketch, then exercise number 6, then OK. So if you can see here working directory, you can see it's automatically going into that particular working directory, whichever we have copied. Okay. So same as usual, here there is no center line, so we will introduce a coordinate system here, then let us make it horizontal, then we will lock both in position, lock this also, we will lock it. Okay, now as mentioned earlier, we will draw two circles, dia 36 and dia 60. So let us draw that one. So dia 36. So first we will change the dimension so that now we can refit. Okay, so this is dia 36. Now what we will do, we will go to circle here, concentric circle, and we will select this, then we will just click somewhere. Okay, so what is the diameter of that one? It is dia 60. So change this dimension, dia 60. So anytime you want to exit from the command, you can press a middle button. That is the useful approach in Creo parametric. So next we will draw a concentric arc of R64. Let us do that. So go to arc, concentric, then we will select this, then we will draw a arc. Okay, let us make a horizontal to that. Then this we will make construction. So how to do that? You can select this, then you can see the third one, construction. Okay, then we will change this to 64. One more thing, we will draw another line. So 30 degree we have to make. So that line we are going to make. So from here to the center. Then once again we will select this line and make to construction. Okay. Now we can draw circles. So circle 1 here. Okay, let us draw the circle somewhere here. One circle here. Another one more somewhere here. So if you want, you can draw one more circle. I think it is better. So we will draw here also. So all these circles are with the same diameter. So that is 4 holes, dia 12. 4 holes, dia 12. So we will change the diameter to 12. Now this dimension also we know. What is that dimension? It is 125. So change this to 125. 125. Okay. So this is 64. So make sure that your sketch is locked in position. So it is moving here and there. 64. Lock. I think something happened. Oh. I think we will go here, file, options, then sketcher. So lock user defined dimensions. So this we will give OK, then yes, OK. So I think the configuration settings is not available. So before that we will lock all the dimensions whatever we have given, lock. So this we have to change. This also we will lock. This also we will lock. Okay. So now we have to add a 30 degree dimension here. So this here to this line, this is 30 degree. Okay. Now we have to check the drawing here. So this is not given, so it should be R10. R12 is given, so we have to draw R12, and here it is R10. Let us draw that. So concentric arc here. Here also we will draw. So I am pressing a middle button to exit from the command. Okay. Now we will make 3-point arc from this point to this point. Okay. Similarly, you can mirror it, otherwise you can just draw that also. That is also possible. Okay. Now we will change this this value here. This value is this is R10, and now this is R64, I think 54. So this we will change to 54. 54. Then okay, let us make it tangent this line, and here undo. So it is going the other way. So let us make tangent first, then we will add 64. Sorry, 64 or 54? 54. It's 54. Okay. Now we can do the same thing here also. Tangent, we will add the tangent first, then we will give equal this and this equal. Okay. Now here again we will add a 3-point arc somewhere here, this point. Okay, let it be like this. Now tangent, we will add a tangent constraint with this, and here also we will add a tangent. Now this is 12. It is not working. So R12. So I think we will delete this. Delete. So what I am going to do, I am going to draw a circle here. So now I am going to make it tangent, this tangent here, and this also tangent. Now coincident, I will add coincident, and again tangent. Okay. Now if you check the dimension, you can see that this is R12. So it is we no need to define the dimension now. Now we will trim. Go to trim, select this. Okay. Now we can either mirror it, or again you can draw a circle here. So let us draw a circle. Okay, let it be like this. Then tangent, so this tangent here, and we will use coincident, this coincident here, then one more time tangent. Okay, now this we will change to 24. It is not working. So what we will do, we will mirror this line. Okay, so let us mirror this line. Or another thing is that we can draw a line. We will select this and convert to construction. Then we will make this coincident. Okay. Now we can trim this portion and this portion. Okay. Now you can see that here. Okay, we will lock this dimension also. We want to lock. Here, this dimension is another one to change. It's R12. It's 12. So I think we have defined all the dimensions. Okay. So in this particular exercise, it is not a very difficult one. You can easily complete the exercise. But anyway, we have learned how to set a working directory. Okay. Thanks for watching. So please continue watching. So I'm going to end the session.